Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I showed you guys how I rearranged all of my workout stuff in my last vlog, and I got a few requests to show you guys how I folded them. Sorry, I've had to like wash laundry and stuff, so I've had to reinsert them. But I used the Marie Kondo, I believe it's called. So the KonMari system, or the KonMari way of folding, and I'm just going to quickly show you guys how I folded these. I'll show you a pair of my workout pants, and then I will show you how to fold the tops. First, I'm going to show you how you fold workout leggings. So these are just a pair of, normal workout leggings. She wants you to fold them in half, so I fold them completely in half. She does a lot of rubbing your clothes, but I don't have time to do that when I'm doing laundry. I have way too much laundry to do. So I just literally just lay it out. And then with this part over here, you're going to fold it in to where it makes more of a straight line. And then you fold it almost all the way. And then you're going to fold a half. Oh, I guess that's not actually half, but you're going to fold and fold again. And you're supposed to do 2 folds so that when you're finished, it stands up. Here's a pair of capris, and I just folded them in half. And I'm going to fold this over almost all the way. Hair there. Then fold it, and then you've got them standing. Now I've got a workout top, and this is just a tank top one. So I'm just going to take it and fold it over, and fold the other side over, and then fold it almost to the top, and then do a double fold, and there it stands. And one more. There are 4 items that are folded in her method, and they just go perfectly inside my drawer. Saves so much space. Before this, I had a really hard time opening and closing the drawer, but now I've got so much space that I could actually add some more if I needed to. I would just have to push them a little bit tighter. So, I mean, this is definitely, to me, the newest, best way to fold my clothes in all of my drawers. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!